Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Goals. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the fresh topic, that is thermocouple, which is also related to temperature measurement. Thermocouple. It is an electrical device made up of two dissimilar electrical conductors meeting at one point, which is known as to form an electrical junction. It is used to measure temperature directly in form of voltage, that is millivolt. So we can say that temperature is dependent on the voltage. Therefore, it is also called thermoelectric effect. The thermoelectric effect, which means the conversion of temperature difference to voltage to measure the temperature of unknown junction. It is also used for instrumentation purpose for the metals which have high purity for an accurate relationship of temperature versus voltage, that is surely linear and as we know it. Next one is the construction of thermocouple. When the two different metals having different parameters, that is range and type, meets at one point, that it forms junction. Here in thermocouple the path is closed, means it forms closed circuit. So we define basically the two terms, that is hot junction, that is measuring point, and the cool junction, that is reference point. We put candle below the thermocouple one end where it call as a hot junction, that is measuring point, to heat the junction to measure the temperature in different form, that it converts into voltage by help of thermoelectric effect. So voltage measured by voltmeter that connected with another end of junction, that is reference or a cool point of thermocouple. Due to this, thermocouple becomes more sensitive and highly accurate measuring device. The performance of thermocouple, that is generally analyzed by using material with the platinum metals. Selecting the pairs of metal is important to have a good thermoelectric difference between the two different metals. A significant difference helps to have an excellent thermocouple performance. As you can see the figure of internal construction of thermocouple, that it has leads which is encased in a strong metal sheet. The measuring junction means basically hot point, that is at bottom of thermocouple housing. Magnesium oxide surrounds the thermocouple wires to prevent the vibration that could damage the fine wires and to enhance heat transfer between the measuring junction and the medium surrounding the thermocouple. Due to this, it becomes easy. Next one is a working of thermocouple. As you can see that basically having measuring junction where we use to measure the temperature or a heat which will cause an electric current to flow in the circuit due to having change in temperature of two junction. So we can say that how much amount of current that is produced due to change in temperature difference of two junction, that is hot and cool junction. Heating the junction of measurement generates the voltage which is greater than reference junction. Therefore, the difference between two voltage is directly proportional to difference in temperature, which is measured in voltmeter in millivolts. If the temperature of both the junction is same, then equal and opposite EMF will be generated at both the junction and the net current flowing through the junction is zero. Since the two junctions are maintained at the different temperature, so the Peltier effect is generated within the circuit, and also it is a function of two junctions. Three effects of thermocouple. First one, Seebeck effect. The effect which generates the amount of EMF at the junction of two different combination of metals is known as the Seebeck effect. Second one is Peltier effect. The effect which generates the amount of EMF at the junction of two different metals within the circuit due to different temperature of two junction in the circuit is known as Peltier effect. Third one is a Thomson effect. The effect which produces the potential difference in the circuit due to temperature gradient, that is temperature differences, along with the entire length of conductors within the circuit is known as the Thomson effect. Types of thermocouple. First, iron constantan, which is J type, having range 0 degree Celsius to 750 degree Celsius. Second one, nickel and chromium combination of two different metal, which is K type, having range minus 200 degree Celsius to 1250 degree Celsius. Third one, nickel constantan metal combination, which is E type, having range minus 200 degree Celsius to 300 degree Celsius. Fourth, copper constantan combination of metal, which is T type, having range minus 250 degree Celsius to 350 degree Celsius. We can use this type of combination of metals to have a high performance thermocouple. Is the application of thermocouple. It includes a temperature measurement for kilns, which means to bake the clay or bricks in oven, gas turbine exhaust, diesel engine and other industrial purposes. Here the thermocouple are also used in homes, offices and businesses as a temperature sensor in thermostat and also as a flame sensor in safety devices for gas powered appliances. I hope you learn and understand from this video lecture. So thank you for your support. Take care and stay safe.